Hello, welcome again. I've made another video of, this will be the Doctor Who Sonic Screwdriver. It's the new 11th Doctor's one, and I've just found out from a different review that there is 4 sounds. I thought there was only 2, because look, if you do this, I'll do 1, because it has slighter lower pitch first and then higher, but then if you press it once it will have the low, twice it will have the high, oh no, that's 3 times, twice, 3 times and 4 times. It's very clever, and it still works in the up position. Put it up. Okay, you can only use that button when it's up. So I go 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times. If someone has made a review and found out all these sounds, thank you very much, and see you next time when I do lots more videos about Doctor Who and lots of other things.